Welcome once again to pennystock channel. Nowadays, if you go to any financial sites, Indian financial sites like moneycontrol.com or live mint, etc., you can see one common term, that is pledging of shares. So in this video I like to cover pledging of shares. Who can do that? What is the risk of a retail and investor in those type of companies, and where you can see how much shares are pledged and why you have to stay away from those companies. So in simple term, pledging of shares means taking loan against those shares you hold. So if an investor or a promoter, both can pledge their shares. Usually promoters, those who want to raise finance, take loans against their holding in the company from banks, usually banks or an NBFC. So they will be the lender for this pledging of shares. So in the agreement between the promoter and the lender, it will be such a way that if stock's price fall in certain percentage below their agreement price, the lender has the right to sell those shares in open market. So if that case happens, usually promoters will be giving more shares to the lender, so that way he will be pledging more shares of the company which he holds. So risk of a retail investor is the stock will be more volatile and he may lose big money in short time period. After Satyam scam in 2009, SEBI made it mandatory to disclose pledged shares. Let's check pledged shares of a company in NSE site. Type whichever stocks details you need. Here I taken Reliance Capital Limited. Click on the second tab, company information. Scroll down, you can see promoter pledge detail. If promoter pledge something, you can see it here. So you can see A, B, C. A means number of, that is the percentage of shares he hold in the company. B, out of that 52 percentage, how much he pledged. And B is 38.76, that is the out of entire shares, that is 100% shares, 38.76 is pledged. C, that is 74%, that is from his 52.24, he already pledged 74.55%. Sometimes stock will be listed only in BSE. Then you have to go to BSE site and find the pledged shares. BSE site, click shareholding pattern. Before that, set the stock. Here also I taken Reliance Capital. Come down, there is shareholding pattern, and click on the arrow. In the new window, you can see the quarterly shareholding patterns. You can see way previous years patterns also. So you can see how much they pledged that time also. From 2009, you can see all the pledge details. Click December 2018. It will open one more window. So here you can see how many shares are pledged. So you can see that is 74.55. So this way you can find any company listed either in BSE or NSE or both, how much they pledge in every quarter. So any stock is considered as risky if pledged shares are more than 50% of its total shares in the company. Reliance Capital's total pledge is 38.76 of the total number of shares. Next video, we will be showing how pledging of shares ruins a company. So stay tuned for that. That will be uploaded in few days. Thanks.